In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front upper bumper impact absorber on a Nissan Maxima. It is located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and locate this front bumper trim. Held down by push pin clips. I'm going to remove those using a trim tool. Now lift and remove the panel and set it aside. We're going to move underneath the bumper, and on the corners we're going to locate 4 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove those. I'll repeat this for the other side. Now in the front part underneath the bumper, we're going to locate 5 10mm screws and remove those as well. Now I'm going to take a plastic trim tool to pry the fender liner up and out so I can gain access to my 10mm bolt. Now let's remove that bolt. I'll repeat this for the other side. Now let's remove the corner of the bumper from the fender. Pull away, undo the clips. Do the same under the headlight, pull the clips away, and do the same for the other side. Now pull away the bumper from the vehicle. Now while holding the bumper up, I'm going to remove all 3 of my electrical connectors. 2 for the fog lights, pull up the tab and push down. And 1 for the parking sensor. Do the same for the other side. Now pull the bumper away. Now on top of our upper bumper support, we have these wire harness clips. I'm going to disengage these using needle nose pliers. Set them aside. Now I'm going to move on to my washer fluid reservoir filler neck and locate this push pin clip. Remove it using a trim tool. Now on each corner of the upper bumper support, we're going to locate 10mm bolts, 1 on this side, 1 on the other side. Remove those as well. We're going to locate 1 more 10mm bolt attaching to our hood latch. Now recessed in the corners of the upper bumper support, we're going to find 2 more 10mm bolts, 1 on each side. Remove those as well. Repeat this for the other side. Now on our bumper support, we're going to locate our last 2 10mm bolts. Now just lift it up and remove it. Now on our original bumper support, we're going to transfer over this plastic piece. Just pry it up with a flat blade screwdriver and slide it out. Now we're also going to transfer our J-hooks, so just slide them out. If they don't slide out, you could use a flat blade screwdriver. Now for our new upper bumper support. Slide your J-hooks on. And also slide on your plastic piece. Fully push down and make sure it's secure. Now to install our upper bumper support. Slide it over in place. Now for our 10mm bolts, just snug these down. Now for the ones along the corners. And the one along the middle. Now repeat this for the corner bolts. Now let's reinstall our horn harness clips. Slide them in place and push down. Let's go ahead and reinstall our fog light and parking sensor connections. Slide them up and over. Fully push in to seat them. And repeat this for the other side. Now let's fully mount our bumper to the vehicle. Slide it over in place. Now on the corners of the bumper, you're going to find a series of clips. Push them fully in. Now let's reinstall our engine bay trim panel. Slide it over in place. Make sure the hood latch goes over. Align the holes on the bumper and reinstall your push pin clips. Now we can move on to the washer fluid reservoir neck and reinstall its push pin clip as well. Now I'm going to peel back my fender liner with a plastic trim tool. And we can reinstall our corner 10mm bolt. And reinstall your fender liner. And repeat this for the other side. Now we're going to move on under the vehicle and on the corners of the bumpers, reinstall our 4 Phillips head screws. Now repeat this for the other side. Now let's reinstall our 5 10mm splash shield bolts. Just snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.